So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can replace a battery inside an S23 Ultra or any device that is very similar to this one. So as you can see here, we have got the device and we've got the back, which is sort of a plastic sort of material here. So what you want to do is you want to take something which is very thin and that you can sort of get in the back of it right now. If this doesn't work, what you might need to do is sort of heat this up slightly until because it's sort of glued on the back here. So essentially what you need to do is take a really thin tool and then you just want to slide the tool upwards, which will then pry this open. And as you can see, if you get it correctly, you will then be able to pull this apart. So you want to do this slowly if you can. And then you will then be able to open up the device here. Now, as you can see into the back of the device, and there is a couple of screws on either side. So what you want to do is unscrew those, and then the battery itself will be under there. So what you want to do as well is you want to make sure that you are careful of stuff like this and you disconnect it all correctly. And then once you can take it out, you will then be able to replace it. And then you will then be able to just slot this back on, and you may need some different glue to be able to keep the back on as normal. So that's how simple it is to replace your battery on an S23 Ultra or a equivalent device such as the 24-25 Ultra, for example. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.